Welcome to our channel In-house ERP digital solution provider in web application and software development. So today I am going to show you how to sign up and log in recurring non-recurring university panel at i-FMS portal. So let's come. This is our front end of the i-FMS portal. Now first click on university recurring non-recurring button. Now here if you had login, then enter login and password, else click on sign up. Select your department from the drop down list. Enter email ID, official email ID, phone number or office phone number. Create password as per the policy written here and create account. After this, just enter the email ID and password that you have input at the time of sign up, and this is here you log in successfully. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more useful content, and in our next video I let you know how to book budget in recurring non-recurring university panel at i-FMS portal. Thank you.